If you have a digital product business, you should be using ChatGPT. Even if you are a beginner, even if you already have a digital product that you've already launched, even if you don't have any experience and you don't even know what ChatGPT is, today I want to help you to understand exactly why you need to be using ChatGPT in your digital product business. And I'm going to teach you guys exactly what you can do in order for you to 10 times your digital product business so that you can start seeing consistent sales and you can start creating content without you having to do a lot of work in order for you to stay consistent. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your gifts, passion, experience, knowledge, education, anything that you have been through, and I help you to turn it into a digital product so that you're able to capitalize and make money from it. So today, you guys, I want to help you to understand exactly how important it is for you to use ChatGPT as a business owner. I don't care if you just started your digital product business. I don't care if you've already started your digital product business and you do not use ChatGPT. I want you to understand why it is so important to use ChatGPT. When it comes to you creating your content, when it comes to you creating your digital products, when it comes to doing your back-end systems for your digital products like email, funnels, marketing, all of those good things, you want to make sure that you're using ChatGPT so that it's able to help you to save time and money. When it comes to using ChatGPT, you guys, ChatGPT has literally been life-changing for me. I've been able to post consistently here on YouTube since September the 1st, and today, as of the recording of this video, is October 13th, and I've posted a YouTube video every single day, you guys, because ChatGPT wrote out my 120-day YouTube video title for me. It gives me my descriptions. It gave me my call to action, like everything that I need. ChatGPT is my personal assistant for my digital product business. Not only do ChatGPT help me to come up with my content idea, but it also is my assistant, help me to make sure that I'm making consistent sales within my digital product business. If you've never heard of ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a AI technology tool that you're able to use. There are two different versions for ChatGPT. You have the free version as well as the pro version, which you pay $20 a month. Now you guys, I have to be very honest, and I have to tell you, the $20 is so worth it. Now this is not a paid promotion. I wish ChatGPT would sponsor this video, but you guys, this is literally my honest opinion. This is my advice. This is literally what I do in order for me to stay afloat in my business and to make sure that I'm able to generate sales and to have everything that I need as a digital product business owner. So when it comes to using ChatGPT in your business, the first way you can use ChatGPT in your digital product business is by helping you to understand your digital product business. So if you are a beginner, ChatGPT can help you to unleash the things that you have within you to help you to understand who your target audience is, what business you need to start so that you know your specific niche for your digital product business, as well as helping you to understand how to market for your specific industry. So when it comes to starting a digital product business, a lot of people think that they just have to post content and that's all. But a lot of people do it wrong because they don't know who they are targeting, they don't know what their niche is, and they don't know the specific problem that they are going to solve within a industry. So to stop you from starting a digital product business and not doing everything completely right, ChatGPT can help you to understand your business model before you even start your digital product business. So even if you already have a digital product business and you haven't been seeing complete sales and you're saying you need to invest within ChatGPT, this still can help you guys, because you can still go back and ask ChatGPT to help you with your brand strategy so that you can start getting consistent sales. So the first thing you want to do is open up your ChatGPT, and you want to tell ChatGPT everything about you. So whatever your passion is, whatever your experience is, whatever your gift is, literally anything that you know that you can talk about every single day without getting burnt out, you want to tell that to ChatGPT. So if you know you like to do hair, if you know that you like to do fitness, if you know you like to bake cakes, let ChatGPT know the things that you like. So that way, the things you like, it can help you to narrow down which one is going to be best for you, so that you're able to create the digital product as well as the content. So once you give this information to ChatGPT, you want to tell ChatGPT to act like your personal assistant and to help you to come up with a strategy for your new digital product business. You want to say, hey, my name is such and such. These are the things that I'm passionate about. These are the things I have experience in. These are the things that I can talk about every single day. Can you act as if you are my personal assistant and help me to come up with a strategy in order for me to start my digital product business? Let ChatGPT know, hey, I am a new beginner and I need you to act as my strategist. I need you to help me to understand who my niche is, help me to understand who my target audience is, and help me to understand different ways that I can help my audience. And once ChatGPT give you guys this, you will be able to choose from those different passions or gifts or talents. You'll get to choose which industry you want to go into based off of the content it tell you that you can create to help them within a specific problem. So once you have this, you guys, you literally can ask ChatGPT to help you to come up with a digital product so that you're able to sell to your audience, and you can ask ChatGPT to help you to come up with content ideas so you can start posting content. It's starting to get dark outside, you guys, so I had to turn my light on. But listen, you guys, I'm going to show you exactly my calendar that ChatGPT created for me so that I didn't have to worry about creating content for the next few months. I want you guys to understand that it is very, very powerful, and I'm going to show you guys right here while I'm still talking, exactly how it would look. But you guys, it is so powerful for you to use ChatGPT. So once ChatGPT give you all of these ideas, you literally want to start using it every single day, and you want to make sure that you're talking to ChatGPT as if it's your personal assistant. A lot of people start using ChatGPT, but they don't understand how specific you have to be and what you have to say. Those prompts that you put in, it matters. So this is what I want you guys to do. If you're serious about launching your digital product business and you want to use ChatGPT to save you time, to save you the headache, to save you from having to spend thousands of dollars to get someone else to do it for you, or even hire a VA to be your personal assistant, I want you guys to go down below and I want you to grab my ChatGPT prompt ebook. In this ebook, it's going to help you to create. It's going to give you different prompts to use. It's going to show you how to use ChatGPT so that you can create your digital product, as well as help you to get your digital product launched, so you know exactly how to talk to ChatGPT and how to train it as your personal assistant. You can grab this right now for only $27, you guys. Now I am having this sale and it will not last long, and I'm having it only here on YouTube. So I want you to go down below and go ahead and grab that so that you can train ChatGPT to be your personal assistant. This is literally going to help you to save time. It's going to help you to create those ideas, and you're able to use ChatGPT as a personal assistant so that you don't have to overthink or try to do everything alone. Like, ChatGPT is literally going to save you time, save you money, and save you those headaches of not knowing what to do in order for you to get started. This is how I was able to make my first 10K in 4 months, because ChatGPT literally It helped me to create my sales page. It helped me to come up with digital products for me to sell to my target audience, and it helped me to create my content for the remainder of the year. So when I tell you guys, it is so worth it. Go down below, grab yours so you don't miss this opportunity. And for those of you who want to take it a step further, you can even grab my how to sell digital products guide, because in this guide I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to sell so that you're able to start getting consistent sales just like I do, so that you're able to hit your first 10K. So if you're serious about that, you can also find that link down below as well. But you guys, I want you to understand the importance of how you have to move with timing. We literally have AI technology, and this is something that is so important for your business. So when I tell you guys, you can literally change your life and change your business with using ChatGPT, I'm telling you guys from experience. Like, I just started posting on Instagram this month, the beginning of the month, October the 1st. And you guys, ChatGPT, it comes up with my hooks for Instagram. It gives me content to create. It tells me what to say in my captions. Like, everything I need is at the fingertips of my hand because it knows my brand. I have trained ChatGPT to be my personal assistant. And I will tell you guys also, like, once you get that pro version, you're able to also upload like your PDF files, which you can use your PDF files in your ebook so you can create digital products. And you can literally let ChatGPT see what you're working on, and it can help you to brainstorm more ideas. Now, if you are new here, I want you to know that I do have a PLR mini course, and that course teaches you guys how to get up and launched with your digital product business in 24 hours and how to get your first 10K literally step by step. But in this course, you guys, I also give you done for you PLR digital products that you can take and you can resell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. But what I want to tell you guys is, if you get that course, or if you've already gotten that course, you can take the PDF file that you get from me, load it into ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to find the things within that PDF file. It may help your audience, and find the things that are missing that could help your target audience. And you guys, ChatGPT will literally help you recreate that same PLR digital product that I give you so that it sounds more like your brand. When I was telling you guys on my last video, if you watched it, how you can literally just change it so that it fits your brand with those PLR done for you digital products, this is what I mean. Once you get a PLR digital product, if you have that ChatGPT Pro version, you're able to upload that Pro version PDF file right into ChatGPT, and it can help you to identify the things that may be missing and the things that you can add to it so that it sounds more personal and just like your brand. When I tell you guys, this is literally going to help you to save time. It's going to help you to save money. It's going to help you to save your energy so that you don't have to overthink on what you need to do. Go grab that course if you have not grabbed it yet. You guys, you can get that course. I'm showing you step by step of what to do, and I'm also giving you exactly what it is that you can sell. It's so many different options in there for you to go through, and you can take those PLR digital products, bundle them together, ask ChatGPT to help you to understand how you can take this and use it for your specific niche, your target audience, and how you can add to it. You guys, like, this stuff is so easy to do, but the thing about it is, you have to be willing to do it. You just have to step outside of your comfort zone. You have to stop just watching videos like this and not putting the action in. Like, don't just watch videos. Go ahead and get the bundles. Go ahead and grab what you need. If this can help you to take a step further in your digital product business, why are you not grabbing it? Only $27, you guys. Like, this is going to change your life. If you know that you want to change your life, if you know that you don't want to struggle in 2026, if you know that you can use an extra 10K, grab this so that it helps you. Stop procrastinating. Stop waiting for tomorrow to come and decide that you want to tap in. You know how many people are changing their lives from selling digital products? you should be one of those people. You are literally in that number. I'm saying that because you're watching this video, you've gotten this far in this video, and it's not by coincidence. Like, you are not still on this video watching me talk about digital products, teaching you what to do, and you're not really interested. God didn't bring you this far for you to just look at me. No, he wants you to understand this is your moment. This is what you need to do. This is how you're going to get that financial breakthrough. But you have to step out on faith, and you have to invest, you guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.